Welcome to the DHA Lahore online auction portal. After registering and logging into your personalized user dashboard, here's how you can explore, select, and bid on premium residential plots, commercial plots, and apartments available for online auction. From the dashboard, select your preferred property category. Browse the available listings and pick the one that interests you. Click View to see complete information about a specific plot. Explore close-up views, price details, and the official site plan to make an informed decision. Secure your plot. Pay the non-refundable token amount using the Quick Pay option in your mobile banking app or via credit, debit card. Once the token amount is paid, you'll gain access to the bidding process. Your bid will be ranked instantly, and you can track real-time statistics to see how you compare with other bidders. Increase your offer anytime to improve your position. Please note, bidding will remain open from Tuesday, September 2nd at 10 a.m. until Thursday, September 4th at 2 p.m. Pakistan time. Experience a smooth, transparent, and exciting way to secure your dream property with the DHA Lahore Digital Auction Portal.